Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. I am going to explain the basics of Bitcoin. Hopefully this will give you a fundamental understanding of this exciting new world. Bitcoin was created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. Bitcoin is created by a process known as mining. Miners use fast computers to compete for Bitcoins. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital money. It can be stored on your computer or phone in a digital wallet. It can be sent person to person without needing a bank or intermediary. Every transaction is stored on a public list called the blockchain. How do I buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin has value due to its limited supply of only 21 million Bitcoins created. You can buy Bitcoin with most currencies via online exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. You can even buy a percentage or fraction of one Bitcoin. The price of one Bitcoin went from $3,000 in 2020 to over $40,000 in 2021. Am I able to spend Bitcoin? There are a growing number of retail outlets and businesses accepting Bitcoin as payment. The accelerating rate of mass Bitcoin adoption is positive for the coin's value long-term. What is Bitcoin's long-term value potential? A value of $100,000 per Bitcoin could be a reality in the near future. Many Bitcoin market commentators and analysts strongly believe that Bitcoin has unlimited future potential.